Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Villanueva. I am a teacher in Chile. I live in a district within the capital city of Santiago called Maipú. I teach physics and math at high school, and now I'm going to share with you the project Gee-Whiz Astronomy Modeling Chile. What is Gee-Whiz Astronomy Modeling Chile? It's an online learning community that brings together teachers and students from various schools and cities. It's an extracurricular activity without grades, where we met weekly through video calls, supported by both G-HOU, the Global Hands-On Universe, and Las Cumbres Observatory. Participation is free for the schools involved. Our main purpose is to prepare students to independently conduct astronomy research using images obtained by themselves through the Las Cumbres Observatory. To achieve our goal, we have developed a training program where students and teachers learn about astronomical images analysis using photometry through the modeling methodology. Our learning community operates without grading students, using a stage or steps instead of units. In the first steps, the students and teachers learn to use educative software like Stellarium and SalsaJ, studying basic astronomical concepts like angular size, plate scale, or pixel scale, and making initial measurement using proportion in the image. Moving to the second stage, we aim to educate the students about the characteristic of telescope captured images. They learn how to program their own images from Las Cumbres telescopes, and students learn about the time, the exposure time, the filters, and the window view when they try to catch an image from a sky object. In the step 3, we analyze more complex astronomical images. They learn to look at the light curves and progress from basic image analysis to mathematical modeling. The first stage is optional and allowing students to do their own astronomical research with the guidance or advice of a scientific advisor in the community. We use analysis software for our classes. The principal software is SalsaJ. SalsaJ is a photometry software designed for educational purpose. Teaching software via video calls or tutorial videos has posed a significant challenge in the community. Starting this year, we introduced the modeling methodology to engage students in our sessions, encouraging them to share their thoughts and ideas. The teachers reach out to the community through an open call from the social networks of physics and astronomy teachers. In 2021, we conducted a pilot version of the training program, which attracted 4 teachers from different parts of Chile. They now form the coordination team, and this year, our third attempt, we have a much stronger working team that has enabled us to create a website and social media page to promote and inform others about our work. This had helped us to invite more students and teachers to learn astronomy with us. We are very proud that this year's training program has a total of 17 educational institutions. We have schools from the city of Copiapó in the northern Chile to Punta Arenas in the southern, including a school in Argentina and 3 educational institutions in Colombia. In Chile, extracurricular astronomy activities are quite popular. especially in primary and secondary education. These activities often have a more conceptual and descriptive nature rather than being explanatory through the integrations of subjects like physics and mathematics. The foundation of the initial phase of Gee-Whiz Astronomy Chile is built upon the activities of the Galileo Teachers Training Program. Astronomy knowledge is not only approached from the perspective of observing the sky, but also through the work with real astronomical images. This distinction is pivotal for shaping the identity of the community. Additionally, the community growth and the depth of its interactions help us realize that a gradual transition to more complex software was both feasible and valuable. This approach ensured that participants were equipped with the necessary conceptual and technical knowledge to explore more advanced tools effectively. As the community expands, some participants even start exploring a variety of software tools, tailoring their choices to their specific research interest. Extracurricular academic activities, particularly those focused on studying after school, face retention challenge. The participation declines over time, especially for this subject like astronomy that attracts students interested in pursuing a career in the field. Our former students present their research in science competitions and virtually visited other schools to share their findings. The aim now is to keep them engaged as mentors for new students, involving them in program activities, providing support, and assigning teaching roles. Now we have two students, Karime Oces and Isabel Martinez, who are in Gee-Whiz for 2 years now, and both are now researching about open clusters with the company of the scientific advisor Fraser Lewis and Carl Pennypacker, members of the International Gee-Whiz Astronomy Modeling Community. I want to express my sincere gratitude to everyone for their attention. I cordially invite you to visit our website and stay informed about our activities and the progress of our 3rd year of training program. We open an open call every year in March that we start academic year in Chile to offer free access to new teachers and students to our community. Thank you again, and we hope to have you support.